The second setup I have for you guys is on USDJPY. So as you guys can see, quite simply, we are stuck in a ranging market with this level of resistance at 108.500 and this level of support at 107.095. So with this level of support, you guys can see how strongly it's been respected. We had our first rejection here. Second rejection, you guys can see singular wick low. We had multiple rejections here as well, pushing price to the upside. And then over here as well, we had lots of wick rejections. So this right here would tell us that there's a level of resistance here. If we put this line, you guys can see, again, we formed a double doji, showing us that there is a loss of momentum here as price starts to push towards the upside. Now, we could see a potential bounce from this level. So if we see a bounce, we could consider a short opportunity. This right here would be a 140 pip move. So this is a considerable amount of pips. Once price reaches here, we would simply look for a break or bounce scenario. If we happen to break this level, our targets would be at our next key level 106. And if we bounce, we would simply be looking at this level being achieved once again. Now, other than this, we do have a major confluence on the weekly time frame where you guys can see we did form a bullish pin bar right here. Interestingly enough, we did close above 108, which was a major support slash resistance level. As you guys can see, if you just look at my crosshair, we have support level over here. We have support level over here, resistance level over here as well. So this was a pretty major level for USDJPY, and closing above this level with a bullish pin bar could signify that we could continue to push to the upside, especially forming this candlestick right after this huge bearish candlestick here as well. So just a quick review. We're simply waiting for a break or bounce. From this level right now, we would have to wait for the daily closure, obviously. We were looking for price to continue to push to the downside. Once we reach this level, we are simply looking for a break or bounce scenario. Now, if price happens to have a daily closure above this level, we would simply be then looking for 110 being achieved as our next key level of resistance.